Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I walked you through how the AdaBoost work under the hood, and I showed you step by step numerical example that help you, let's say, to understand its mechanics. If you haven't seen this video, I highly recommend check this out. So in today's we are going to take a boost to integrate boost into our existing system. If you're already familiar with my previous video, you know what I mean by the integrating to the system. So it's only let's say a classification system that is working with multiple with let's say arbitrary data set and arbitrary number of algorithms. And this system is, I think it's already, let's say, well structured with, I mean, with a professional code design, reusable components, and let's say robust evaluation pipeline. So by end of this video, you will see how AdaBoost fit seamlessly into such system and how it can be used to enhance your, let's say, machine learning workspace. So let me just show you the system I have designed. Of course, it might be, let's see, better than this, but this, let's see, consider it as a starting point. Let's see. So let me just show you this. Yeah, for instance, this is the normal pipeline, and this is the dataset, and you can add whatever you need the dataset. And here this is the base classifier, or let's say the classification system. It is binary and multi-class label. And here you can see the many algorithms, and you can add as much as you can without affecting or changing the whole system. And this is what we have done in the previous sessions, but now it's just to show you how I add the integrate, let's say, the boost, add a boost adaptive posting into this system. So what I have done is, for instance, this is the project creating a file, call it as you want. I mean, let's see, add a post, and this is the this is the class that I would like to let's say the code I would like to add to use it in add a post. So creating a class, call it, let's say, with add a post, and the parameters of this of the add a post, it has many parameters, but in the beginning, in the beginning it has yeah, I forgot to add this. Let's see, weak classifier. Let's see, go to this one here, and you can see what are the parameters. So it was the estimators. So this should be estimator, and the other parameters will be added in the main file. So you can see in the main, I will just show you. Let's see the changes here I have done. So I have added the import, the class that I have done in this file here, and add the parameters, the parameters of this class. For instance, number of estimators, learning rate, and random set state. And here I just add if statement. If the type classifier type is AdaBoost, try to call this, and the other will stay the same. So this is much, let's see, easier than I mean, to integrate it in the working system. So now if we run the system, let's see, the classification project, just run by this one, and here you can see, because I have the in the classifiers, I have all stack all the classifiers. So I will have result for each classifier, including of course the AdaBoost, the last one. So, and you can see here the AdaBoost classifier, and this is the confusion matrix, and this is the classification report. Yeah, that's it for today. And of course, I will attach the code and or the video of last time. So if you like this, please subscribe into my channel, like the video, and if you have any question, of course, drop it down in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.